Trouble is again brewing among public sector workers following another round of failed wage negotiations between the government and two groups today.
The Police Federation, which represents rank-and-file members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and the Jamaica Teachers Association were scheduled to continue wage talks today.
But following what the cops are calling another empty offer from the government and a postponement of the teachers' meeting, trouble seems to be on the horizon. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
I would just want to appeal to the patriotism of the members and to say that I understand the challenges that you face.
A plea from National Security Minister Robert Montague this week for police officers to ignore the message which has been circulated calling for them to stay off the job to protest the slow pace of wage negotiations. But that may be hard for rank-and-file members to heed following more failed talks this morning. Police Federation members met with the Finance Ministry at 9 o'clock, but say they were presented with the same response: no increase on existing or new allowances and no further adjustment on the 4% and 2% increases over 2 years. A statement from the Federation said they vehemently rejected the offer, after which the meeting ended abruptly. A request was made for an emergency meeting with the Prime Minister based on the lack of progress. A few hours later, the Federation was invited to restart negotiations, which lasted all afternoon. Meanwhile, the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, is threatening to take action following the postponement of their meeting today. According to JTA President Georgia Ward Richards, the association was unofficially informed of a change a few hours before the scheduled time.
We are not at all pleased with the process or even with how the negotiations are being handled. It is therefore important that at this time the government recognizes that things cannot remain the same.
She says the association's members are livid at the way the government has been handling the negotiations, which started over a year ago. Today's postponement, however, is being described as a critical turning point for the teachers.
That unofficial communication has caused us to feel disrespected, to say the least. And therefore, come January morning, the story has got to change.
So far, the government has offered all groups in the public sector 6% over 2 years. Herman Green, TVJ News.